Hey y'all, coming to you from Table Rock State Park Campground in Pickens, South Carolina. At first glance, I'm going to tell you, beautiful park. Really enjoying it so far. It encompasses everything you want in a campground. It's small, remote, and quiet. So y'all stick around, I'm going to show you around. Tell you what, before we fire into this, why don't you do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon, give me a big old thumbs up, maybe even leave a comment or two, share me to your social media. I sure would appreciate it. Table Rock State Park fits the bill for the natural beauty attributed to Scenic Highway 11. The towering mountain which gives the park its name serves as a backdrop for the 3,000-acre park and its facilities. Below this section of the Blue Ridge Mountains, South Carolina, natives and visitors can enjoy Table Rock State Park cabins, a campground, and an old-fashioned swimming hole on one of the park's two lakes. Table Rock State Park hiking trails serve as an access point for the 80-mile Foothills Trail. South Carolina hikers can use to travel between several connected South Carolina state parks. The Table Rock State Park hiking trails take hikers past mountain streams and waterfalls to the tops of Pinnacle and Table Rock Mountains. While the park is well known to outdoor enthusiasts for its natural features, Table Rock also has its place in history. Many of the Table Rock State Park cabins and other structures built by the Civilian Conservation Corps remain standing and are on the National Register of Historic Places. The park provides a 69-site camping area located near the park entrance, and a 25-site camping area located near White Oak Picnic Area. Each site has individual water and electrical hookups and a picnic table. Some sites accommodate RVs up to 40 feet. Both campgrounds are convenient to restrooms with hot showers. In addition, a primitive walk-in camping area with central water is located near Lake Ohlinoy. Here's a couple of things you can do while at Table Rock State Park. You can explore Table Rock State Park and hike to the top of Table Rock Mountain. You can cool off, relax, and put your feet in a mountain stream at Table Rock. Take an easy hike on the Lakeside Trail and discover some of Table Rock's CCC history along the way. You can also paddle or fish for bass, brim, catfish at one of the park's two lakes. Come out for the Music on the Mountain Bluegrass program that takes place on the second Saturday of each month from 2 to 6 p.m. There are 94 sites with electricity and water. Pine Point Camping Area is a designated tent camping area located near the Visitor Center. This area includes 6 primitive tent sites. No access to flush toilets or power. There is laundry facilities as well as a dump station. 3 primitive areas with central water and privy are available for organized groups. Fox Hill Group Site includes 6 tent pads. Owl Tree Group Site includes 11 tent pads. Bobcat Creek Group Site includes 7 tent pads. No access to flush toilets or power. Hike to the site is half a mile. Pets are not allowed in the cabins or the cabin area, or on the swim beach at Table Rock State Park. Pets are allowed in most other outdoor areas provided they are kept under physical restraint or on a leash no longer than 6 feet.
So that's it pretty much in a nutshell. I'll tell you what, tell me what you think of it. Leave me a comment in the comment section down there, and don't forget to like, subscribe, check the bell icon, you know, all that stuff. Anyway, that's going to be about it for Eating Good in the Woods Campground Reviews. Until next time, I love you. Y'all go out there and be nice to everybody. God bless. See you next time.